Water. We tend to think of water only as coming out of our tap in the morning when we're brushing our teeth or washing vegetables or whatever. But, in fact, water is embedded in everything we use and buy and do throughout the day. Your morning shower takes 17 gallons of water, and growing the coffee beans for your cup took upwards of 34 gallons, and it takes 13 gallons of water to generate 1 gallon of gas. But while the amount of fresh water on the planet has remained fairly constant over time, the population has exploded, leaving the world's water resources in crisis. Satellites launched by NASA show more accurately and measure this developing invisible crisis, revealing how supplies are shrinking rapidly, not just in the US, all over the American continent and the world. Next, consider the quality of water. We have been drinking, bathing in and cooking with water containing unsafe levels of chemicals such as arsenic and fluoride for months. So the idea of filtering water is becoming an impossible mission. What's the solution? Extract water from the air. The Water Freedom System is a device based on a simple condensation principle. It sucks in humid air and cools it down, much like an air conditioner, but a lot more efficient, and transforms it into drinkable water. The system was specifically created so that anyone with one hand can do it, as long as you understand how to turn a screwdriver, play a video, and can somewhat speak English, you can set up this system with no problem. In just 1 hour from now, you can have the only endless water supply you'll ever need and the power to survive and thrive through any disaster. And you'll save hundreds of dollars each month, and thousands each year. But the only way to secure your spot in the program is to click the link in the description box below, and have access to abundance of clean, fresh water for your family.